For any of you people out there who like winter, you're out of your fucking minds. New York, this is what we got. About 3 inches of pure fucking ice. It still crunches a little bit here and there, but not by much. And of course, Ginger is here. I was going to take her today, clean some of it off, and had a little problem. The car was parked all the way back here. That's how high the snow went because of the damn plow. That's nothing, you know, that wouldn't be expected. So that tire was in there. And this tire is not on the rim. Because winter. This couldn't have happened in the summer or any other time when it wouldn't be so bad. But now it's so bad because A, the trunk of Ginger is filled up with parts from Old Clanky that I didn't move into the garage because I was going to need to get the snowblower out, which I didn't because it wasn't going to be that much snow. And my back is a huge limiting factor. And then somehow I'm going to get under this shit in snow and get a jack under this fucking thing and jack it up so I can get the spare out of the trunk if that wants to hold air and put it on here. Yeah, we got a big problem. I surmise that what happened was the high-speed spinning of the tires with the V6 in this. Maybe the tire was low originally. I had no way to tell because there was snow halfway up the damn thing because of the fucking plow. It's not like the China TPMS system actually works. No, that's just there for show. Because it doesn't. None of them read anything. And that's already a replacement, so that one's a turd. I have another one that actually works, but yeah, this is a huge problem. Yep. So Ginger is down for the count because winter. And probably going to have to wait for this to melt before anything. I tried, obviously it didn't look like this. It just looked like it was low before. And I tried putting air in from one of those little plug-in 12 volt, you know, China inflators. And it's just running. Nothing happening. So then I had to go and get the garage open and get the big compressor. And as soon as I put air in, it just came right out. And that's it. Yeah, don't need that on there. Don't need that either. So I don't know what's so fun about winter. Oh, and I have to leave the house today. I have to because just because winter, the fill valve in the toilet upstairs decided to continuously run and not shut off. Even if you lift it or anything, it's just broken. So I need to get a new one and put that in. I could take the big 6, but that's kind of snowed in a little bit. Yeah. Not liking winter too much. Not liking winter. For those of you who go solar, and 2 days ago when it was snowing, or yesterday rather, in the aftermath, I don't think those solar panels are doing too fucking much right now. But I had some dicks come to my door to try to sell me solar in a snowstorm. They're out of control. This is stupid. Another reason why winter is bad. Oh, we'll move somewhere warmer. Move to Texas. Great, you got a lot of Calderona there. Move to Florida. I don't know, too many old people. Move somewhere. It's great. It's great. You can say anything you want. But to make something happen, I have to believe it first. And I don't believe that leaving New York is going to solve winter problems. Yeah, if I go to Texas, if I go to Florida, if we have a dusting of snow, the whole state shuts down. I understand that, but there's going to be other issues there. It's not a peachy keen world anywhere. It just sucks. But it always and only happens during the month of October and winter, which is the other 18 months of the year. So, yep, everything sucks. That's that. Ginger's down, and I don't know when it's going to be fixed yet. So, thanks for watching. Fuck winter. Get global warming and not global colding. And I have to get out of here and maybe hitch a ride with some of these assholes to Home Depot to get a fill valve. Oh, and the Buick doesn't start either. Nor would it drive in this kind of weather. Nor would I want it to drive in this kind of weather. I think the battery in it is dead. Cranked over a bit, but then it died, and then it snowed, so that's dead. So the Big 6 is the only choice, and chances are very good that somebody will T-bone the fucking thing because they slipped on the ice, and that's that. So we have the Whiffs car, and that's about it for now. It's all hard-packed ice, and maybe in a few years it'll melt. So thanks for watching. Make sure you click like. Make sure you click subscribe. Bring back the summer. Bye-bye.